Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on Foxtecc. This time let's talk about the running and more specifically, tracking your runs with the iPhone. And I mean the iPhone only. A lot of people track their runs inside the fitness app, but if you don't wear the Apple Watch, it just won't show it up in here. So this isn't really the best, but it's just how it works. If you don't have an Apple Watch, the fitness app from Apple is not really going to cut it. Instead, you'll need to pick a third-party app for your running. And there are plenty of different apps on the App Store. For example, the Nike Running Club, Adidas has one of their own apps that tracks running, or even Strava is a great app that will track your runs pretty effectively. So my point is that the built-in fitness is supposed to be used mostly when you already have an Apple Watch on your wrist. If not, then just use one of the third-party ones. Just make sure they have access to your location for GPS tracking and then seeing the whole run on a map, and also set it up the way that you want. Obviously, the process of actually tracking the run using these apps may vary, but generally speaking, you just click start on a run, then make sure to have the phone with you at all times. It'll track all the data it needs, then you'll click done after you're finished, and you'll have the summary always available in the app. So that's basically it. That's all I wanted to say in this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't hesitate with clicking the like button on it. For more questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.